Want a better way to show off your best blog posts or portfolio pieces in WordPress? In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through a quick and easy process for reordering posts and portfolio entries. And by the end, you'll be able to control exactly how your content appears on your site to highlight your favorites or organize things in a way that makes sense for your visitors. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is install a plugin that gives you the power to manually sort your posts. So in your WordPress dashboard, head over to Plugins on the sidebar and click Add New. In the search bar, type in Post Types if you prefer Intuitive Custom Post Order. Both of these plugins are user-friendly and widely trusted, so you can't go wrong with either. Once you see it in the search results, hit Install and then don't forget to click Activate. Installing plugins might seem routine, but this step is important. Without these tools, WordPress just doesn't let you freely rearrange your posts and portfolio entries by default. Now with the plugin up and running, you'll want to tell it which kinds of content you want to reorder. Go to Settings and then click Post Types Order. Here, where you'll see a list of all the post types available on your site. These could include standard posts, portfolio items, and sometimes custom types if your site is a bit more complex. Just check the boxes for the ones you're interested in. For instance, if you mostly want to rearrange blog posts and portfolio entries, check those. Clicking Save Settings is more than just a formality. It makes sure your choices take effect and the reorder features show up in just the right places. Next comes the fun part, the actual rearranging of your posts. Head over to the section in your dashboard that matches what you want to organize. For example, if you chose Posts, click Posts. You'll notice something new, a drag and drop interface, or sometimes you'll need to switch from the default list view to a special sort view, depending on the plugin and your settings. Simply click and hold any post or entry, then drag it to the spot you want. Take a moment with this. Think of it like arranging books on a shelf or photos in an album. You might want your best work showcased at the top, or maybe you're grouping posts by theme or date for easier browsing. Don't worry if you make a mistake. You can always move items around as many times as you like until it feels just right. Finally, you'll want to check that your hard work appears the way you intended on the front end of your site, where your visitors will see it. Take a peek at your homepage, portfolio archive, or wherever your posts and entries are displayed. The new order should show up automatically, but keep in mind that some themes or custom templates might display content differently. If you don't see the change right away, try clearing your site's cache or refreshing your browser. Remember, this step is just double-checking. It's always worth ensuring everything looks as polished as you envisioned. And that's all it takes. With just a simple plugin and a few clicks, you've unlocked much more control over how your WordPress site presents your best work or most important posts. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit that like button. And if you run into any snags or have questions about different post types or themes, leave a comment below. I always read and reply to help out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.